Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I got one more interesting problem statement. Before going into that, please check out my channel where I try to solve different problem statement in simplest manner. If this videos helps to enhance your skill set, please like the video and subscribe my channel. You can also reach out to me on Instagram where we can discuss one-on-one query. So now coming back to the problem statement. So this is a very common problem statement that actually I have seen on Reddit that uh, continuously being asked by many of the users in Reddit, where they want to see how we can dynamically calculate the ranks on a different situation. So one of the situation like this, they wanted to see a sales by a region for a given product, and at the same time they want to see only the top three products, which top three or let's say top n products based on the selection in the slicer. And so this is something that they are, it has been asked like many times, so I just thought that let's create a video on this and how to simply we can do this. So let's see. So for this you need two different measures. First we'll be creating the rank, and based on the rank you have to create let's say one more parameter that will you can dynamically switch over the let's say top two products to top four products likewise. So this will help you to like filter it out the relevant rank products. For this, what we need, so first what is the requirement is like we have to create a measure that will create the rank of this. So for creating the rank, let me do one thing. It's a rank by product region. So what it requires, first we need the rank function here. We have the rank function as, oops, my bad. So this rank function leads the table expression. So what we can do, filter all the relevant fields for this on. Let me select the product name first, then my respective regions. So for these, whatever the filters are applied, that will be tackled here. And on this filter, what we need, let's say there is a south region. For this south region, calculate the sum of sale for first all of the product and then rank them. So what is the required is like, let me have the relevant region in selection, selected value, then again region, and this is it. So we have the relevant table. Now what we need here is, I guess I missed it some, yes. So this, so filter table expression is down. What we need is like here, then table is done. Now we need the sum of sales. Calculate sum superstore sales. This is it. We have the expression value. Now we want order. Let's say the maximum sales should have the rank one. The next corresponding to have rank two. So like this, that's why we have a descending order. And let's say if we have a tie cases, then we need to tackle as a dense case. So it will tackle the dense case. So this is it. We have the function which says that give me rank value for all the products within a region and without skipping the rank. So this is how it looks like. Let me copy this thing and hit enter. So we have this thing. Now what else we need? We need one more measure to filter out the relevant selected ranks. So for this, we need filter top and product. And product. So if my product by region less than or equals to less than or equals to, we need to like this. My rank by product measure is selected value in my top and product, which the parameter we have created. So let's say if we have selected two here in the parameter, so the top two rank will be selected and will be displayed. If this is the case, then give me one, else zero. So this is it. So whenever this condition is satisfied, so that will be one, and we will filter based on that. If not, then zero. Let me hit this. Now what else we need? First, let me create a chart here where we want your region to be on axis, your product name on the legend, your sales value on your axis. So this is the sales value. Now what I need this product rank that I've created recently. Just a second. Filter this one, this measure. I need to be in my filters. And if this is one, then give me the relevant rank. This is it. So we have selected two. So that's my top two product for each region. Let me select three. It will give me three regions. So let me do one thing. So three regions are there. So what we can do a bit of enhancement here. So we can add a data label here. We can quickly remove the axis. Then product by region, this is it. So if I see, this is it. So now we have this thing. We have this by each region. What are the top three products? We have it. You can do a bit more formatting based on your requirement. So let's say if I just data labels is fine. I go into the title. This is good. I want to center it aligned. Let's have a divider line between this and color it as black. Then in effect, what I can do, I can have a visual border as well, which is in a black and width is fine. So this is it. So this is how it looks like finally. So hope you are able to follow this till point, how you can dynamically change the rank values and select the relevant product name or product category. And it is widely being used. It is a day-to-day practice actually, to be honest. So you can, it helps a lot when it comes to your enhancing your dashboard. If you are able to follow till this point, please like the video, subscribe my channel, and follow for more Power BI updates. Thank you so much.